Dr. Kalyani Jayaram. I'm 74-year-old. So I have been having this problem of osteoarthritis for a long time, nearly 25 years. And when I came to Bangalore, I had some other neck pain and low back pain problem where I met Dr. Shashikumar.
Hello, I'm Jayaram, Dr. Kalyani's husband. We met a doctor, Shashikumar. Dr. Shashikumar, for the past 4 or 5 years, we know because she had a fracture earlier, and I also, for some small problems of orthopedic nature, I have consulted him. And this time, when she had both knees problem for past 25 years, she is managing.
I'm Dr. Shashikumar H K. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon in Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road. So I've been in this almost like last 20 years. And this patient, she had this knee pain almost like last 20 years, probably more than 20 years. But she was hesitant in getting the surgery done. So she was just pushing her, the surgery like till she is unbearable pain. So finally she came to me. So she had an excruciating pains, especially while walking, even in doing day-to-day activities, and like using stairs, getting up from sitting, all this. So on evaluating, her knees were totally, very badly worn out, and after getting a complete medical checkup done, so we planned for a bilateral knee replacement in the same setting. As she was a lean patient with no medical comorbidities, so we planned to do in a same setting, and we did the same thing. Well, there was no any per or post operative complications, and post operatively she was like almost like for a week's time in a hospital, and there was a epidural catheter for almost like 3 days, where we controlled her pain. And following that, the very next day we mobilized her, and there was absolutely no pain. And post epidural catheter removal also, she had a mild pain, so which was bearable, and we managed with a oral analgesics. And finally she was a pretty happy patient, and she got she got home by probably a week's time.
And after that, I have recovered very fast. My pain is not that much now. I am able to walk with a walker, and I am extremely thankful to Dr. Shashikumar for encouraging me to undergo this so that I will have a better life.